What can we learn from dragonflies? Much more than you might realize. The dragonfly is the national emblem of Japan, Island of the Dragonfly. They have been revered in Japanese poetry, song, and art for centuries. Why? The dragonfly is a potent symbol of swiftness and courage in Japanese culture. It is known as the victory insect for the aggressive way it hunts prey. In the 17th century, the samurai depicted the dragonfly on their clothing and swords, and even wore dragonfly-shaped helmets on the battlefield. Dragonflies are also associated with rice paddies, where they thrive, and for centuries were considered the spirit of the rice plant. So it is easy to see why dragonflies inspire artists and poets. They have deep cultural significance and they are beautiful. Their wings are usually transparent with a complex network of veins. Depending on species and age, dragonflies display a range of coloration, from yellow when immature to shades of reds, blues, and greens at maturity. Fascinating to watch, dragonflies are expert flyers and can take off, land, and hover like helicopters. Separate muscles control each of their 4 wings, making them among the most acrobatic of insects. That is one reason dragonflies are important to science. Rather than minimizing turbulence, dragonflies generate and exploit it. Their flight is so special, it has inspired the design of drones. An example of biomimicry, design modeled on nature. The waxy substance on the bodies of some dragonfly species reflects both ultraviolet and visible light. Japanese researchers at the National Institute of Advanced Industrial Science and Technology, or AIST, have synthesized this wax in the lab and observed that it forms tiny scales that reflect UV light and repel water. They see possible uses for this wax in sunscreens and protective coatings. Dragonflies are an excellent model organism. They are used by scientists in many fields to understand natural processes. For example, dragonflies have considerable variation in populations, making them interesting for research in fields of biology like genetics and ecology. So the next time you see a dragonfly, look closely. You will see 300 million years of evolution and beauty hovering right in front of you.